UMLA berim ba Jemino Mawthoh mentakasngi ulo ong ba day ban wanrah jingiapher jaitbynriew tang na kadaw badon shah pynmynsaw. Uba Mawthoh ulo ong la don bun jingia baki khasi shah pynmynsaw but kidon ru jingia baki bamday khasi shah pynmynsaw but day pat ban wanrah jingiapher jaitbynriew hapo kajala. Uba Jemino Mawthoh ubelong uway ni kinong yalam jang sing sanhima sima United Democratic Party ulakren ni kani na kadaw badon ki baya sha thangan hakandai lat halor ka jing sha pynmynsaw ki bamdai ki khasi halum dingjri Shillong.
Incidents are concerned. Law is there, law has to take its own course. This is what I feel. But it's rather unfortunate that these type of incidents are occurring here in the heart of the city of Shillong. And we condemn such acts or perpetrated to innocent victims and all that, whether it's non-tribals to tribals or tribals to non-tribals. I think this should not be tolerated, because I feel in any kind of an incident like this, people also, we should respond by demonstrating, like I read in the morning, demonstrating grace rather than vengeance, because this is not going to lead to anything. Like if we continue, one community against another community, so we should not take it as a communal kind of color. But these sorts of incidents has been happening. Khasis also have been beaten up by other communities. Other communities have also been beaten up. And if we talk about what is happening in other states also, these things are happening. It is not that it's not happening, but let us not paint a communal picture. But what I feel is that the law enforcers should be more vigilant, so that the safety and security of these citizens is ensured.
Habakali shapang kijing keno kai do yong bean but kajing thung ye ka kinhon tokin oba Mawthoh ulong ba ka sarkar ka juthung ye ki kinhon tokin la ka long ye ka MEECL kajing sha set yap jong khot barim jong ka HNLC oba Chesterfield thank you but ki wei Henry ya hab jing mut pan ba ka jing penslem palat ban ai ya ka report ka jong ki.
The government time and again, whenever there are allegations, they have constituted these inquiry committees. But sad to say, when we talk about these inquiry committees, I don't know why it took so long, for the report to come out. Now this is something which is a cause of concern, because the people have the right to know, the public have the right to know what is going on. See, whether you talk of MECL, whether you talk about the killing of Chesterfield, you talk about the rice camp, you talk about anything that has happened in the state, all these unfortunate incidents. Whenever there is an inquiry constituted, I think the report also should not be too long. Let the people know, because the public also have a right to know, no? See, what Dr. Mukul Sangma said also, he's right in one way, because if there's a delay, means there will be no report, and it'll take time also for the report to come in. And then, people are disgruntled, different groups who have asked for these reports, the different inquiries, inquiry committees, right? Now they are also disappointed, they are also disgruntled. So I feel that the government has to facilitate the inquiry, so that the truth will come out in the open, no?
Uba Jemino Mawthoh ulong ru balada don kam unya kren ru apok ka party mat ban pensngau shaka sarkar ya kajing sngo jeng ki pat ba ki bakwa ban tip ki e kijing mi na ki ba kum kita kijing thokit.
We will apprise the elected representatives who are there. We will tell them about the concern shared by party leaders and party functionaries also, and by the people in the state. So we would like to urge them also at in these different forums, that they'll be interacting at the government level. Let them also talk and deliberate on this thing.